Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today, what I'm going to help you take off is the lower fairing. So if you were going to be installing the battery in this, you'd want that lower fairing off. You don't need it off, but it makes it so much easier if it's out of the way. So I'm going to teach you how to take that off. It's not going to be anything real difficult to do. You're only going to need a number 5 Allen key, and that's it. So let's get started. I'm going to bring my creeper because it's laying down on the ground. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove all the bolts. Oh goodness. On the side first. And there's 3 of those, so there's going to be 3 per side. There's this one, and this one. So we'll go ahead and we'll take those off. And then this third one. Now the only thing holding this up right now is that center one right there. So if I take that off, it's going to want to droop. There we go. I can push that one out. Okay, so now we're going to go around to the other side. We're going to do the exact same thing. And I'm going to start at the back and work my way forward. Now when I take this one off, it's just going to want to fall off, so just hold it up with your hand. As soon as I remove this, it's going to want to fall down. There we go. And just like that, you can just lift it out and move it around. Now, I noticed when I did that, a clip fell out right here. And it's actually for the other side right there. These clips will fall down sometimes, so all you have to do is just give them a squeeze like that before you put them back up. So when I do put it back up into place, it'll stay in place and it won't want to fall down. And that's how you take that off. And now your battery is so much more accessible. I can literally reach it right here with my hand. So if I had to take it out, I had to do any sort of service on it, this is what I want. You want to take this this fairing off right here. And then, like I said, you can take this battery out. You can do whatever you want. It gives you a lot more room once you get that fairing off. Now, that being said, this fairing can go back on. There's nothing wrong with it. I was just like I said, showing you a quick video. Now to put it back on, all you have to do is put it back up, but you have some tabs to line up. So if you notice, there's these tabs right here. You want to line up those with the holes and make sure your front's lined up as well, so it's not out of the, oh my goodness, out of the other fairing. So I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, there we go. I can put my tabs in. Oops. There we go. Oops. There's another tab here, so you want to line it up. So now that I have all those lined up, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put one in here in the center, so it'll hold the weight of the fairing up, just like that. Then I can go along and put my other ones in. Like that. And you want to make sure you're lined up with your clip in the back. So you can do that there. And I'm going to put my last bolt in down here. Okay. Now when you tighten these up again, just snug. You don't want to tighten them so tight that none of them cracks. Okay, so we got that lifted up right there. That's perfect. Like that. Okay, so now let's go to the other side. And we'll put in our last bolts. And then that's it. And like I said, this is very handy to know how to do this, especially for the battery. Anything to do with the battery, you'll want to take this fairing off. But now, we have to just line up our tabs like we did on the other side. Just like that. Like that. Okay. And like I did on the other side, I'm going to put this one in first. And it doesn't seem like it's grabbing its clip there. I want to make sure it grabs the clip right, or it won't hold on it. Oh, see? I almost did it. There we go. There we go. I'll snug that up nice and tight. Put the back one in. Okay. And that was our clip that fell off right here. Now it's on nice and tight. Now this bottom one, if you find when you put the bolt in, if it doesn't come in, you can reach underneath and hold it forward so it catches the clip. There we go. Just like that. And there you go. And then the bottom fairing's back on. It's all secured tight, and it's all our lines are matching, and everything is done right. So that's it. There. That's how you remove and replace your bottom fairing.